Good evening. I want to take a couple of minutes to give a multimedia briefing on the severe thunderstorms now moving across the Chicago metro area and the potential for these to affect northwest Indiana over the next hour or two. We currently have a line of thunderstorms stretches from Chicago to the western suburbs and into northern LaSalle County. These thunderstorms have shown some intensification over the past half hour and continue to intensify as they move to the southeast at around 45 miles per hour. We've had some very strong wind gusts. Elgin had a 66 mile per hour wind gust, and now just coming in off the National Weather Service just a couple of minutes ago, a 74 mile per hour wind gust just to the east of DuPage Airport, and that is just to the west of the downtown Chicago metro area. Now National Weather Service says indicated a line of severe thunderstorms extending from roughly downtown Chicago to DuPage Airport, moving to the southeast at around 50 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing destructive hurricane-force winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. So we have a very dangerous line of thunderstorms on approach. If these thunderstorms do not weaken, they could seriously cause some significant damage across the area. So we'll be monitoring that throughout the evening hours. Now, there is a possibility that as these storms move across the area, they will weaken. However, you can see the warning across DuPage County and parts of Cook County has just expired. But based on the radar reflectivity that these have intensified, would not be surprised at all to see a new warning issued shortly. So again, these thunderstorms do have the potential to weaken, but they also have the potential to maintain their strength. That will be uncertain and will be monitored very closely through the evening hours. So if you hear thunder or see lightning and notice some red stuff or yellow stuff on the radar come in your area, move indoors immediately, as these storms could produce a lot of lightning and some very strong winds that can cause damage to property and can also injure people. So that's all I have. Forecast information could change as these thunderstorms weaken, but that's all I have for now. Have a safe evening.